How you going? Welcome back to part 4. Create a table using PHP. We're going to create a table using PHP, and over here we can see the database. No tables in there. We created that over in part 1. We also created our database connect function. Create a variable. It equals the database connection, which is in the database connect function. Next, we're going to add a here doc that will contain our SQL query. There is our here doc. Inside there, we're going to create the statement that we need. And the statement that we need right here, what we're going to do is we're going to create a table as long as it doesn't exist. If something exists, we don't want to create it. We might overwrite something. So that's a protection clause. But we'll call it custom commands. The first column is the command ID, which is an auto incremental number, and it's also the primary key, which I'll show you at the bottom. And then the one after that is the title, and then command text, which will be either JS code or a URL. Then we have the type, which is going to be an enum, and they're going to be able to have two choices here, either a URL or code. Keywords is just a little comma separated list. And then down below here we have constraint. And this is the custom command's primary key constraint for the command ID. That will be our primary key for this table. The next thing we need in our function is our query. We're going to query, and here's our SQL. And this is our connection that we called above, connection. So we're going to call our SQL in this query function, and then we're going to close our connection. Always close your connection. That's going to echo out success. Below I have the create table call function. Uncomment that. And now we can save this, go upload it using FileZilla, and then go test it out on the browser. Here we are over at FileZilla, where I'm going to upload the techtalk.php, and we're going to go run it. Here we are at the browser, and I'm just going to hit F5. Looking for a success here. If we get that, we'll go verify that the table was created. F5, we have success. Now we need to just go verify that we actually have created the table. So here we are, but what I have to do to verify this is I have to refresh. Now I can see I have command ID, title, command, type, and keywords. And then you can see the constraint primary key is the command ID. So everything looks great right there. Now I'm going to roll over to PHP MyAdmin and check it out over there. Okay, here I am in PHP MyAdmin, and there's the examples database. There aren't any tables there, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh this. Okay, now I can see that I have a new table called custom commands. If we open that up, have a look in there, we can see there we have our columns. It's been verified. The table has been created. I'm looking forward to the next one where we create an HTML form and then add, update, and delete. Have a good day.